Click the plugin and you'll see that a connection is required. Open OBS. Click Tools. Then select WebSocket Server Settings. Make sure the box is checked to enable the server. Click Show Connect Info. Copy the information shown and paste it into the plugin. Click Connect. And if connection info appears here, that means the connection was successful. The recording function allows you to start and stop recording the current scene with a single click. The streaming function lets you start and stop your live stream with a single click. The virtual camera function allows you to turn the virtual camera on and off with a single click. The scene function allows you to freely switch between different scenes. You can set the target scene to switch to using the options below. The source function allows you to toggle a specific source on or off with a single click. You can configure the corresponding scene and the specific source within that scene using the options below. The audio mixer allows you to toggle specific audio sources on or off with a single click. You can configure the corresponding audio source using the options below. Studio mode can be toggled on and off with a single click. The screenshot function allows you to capture the current screen with a single click. Transition effects can be applied with a single click. The green screen background allows you to toggle the green screen layer's position between front and back.